Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Tuesday the 23rd of December, so just a couple more days to Christmas. Went out to Yate today and I bought 3 things. I'll talk about that one last. So, a wooden automata unicorn, £2. I just bought it because I like automata. Crafts & Co. Haven't heard of that brand. Made in Amsterdam. Is that right? Yeah, it appears to be. Carsten International. I won't do it just now, but I noticed it had been opened. That's the wax for lubricating the joints. Well, the hope is the instructions. Yeah, I can see them through the holes. The instructions are in there, I think. I think that's what I can see. It's going to be a fairly small one. Lots of small pieces as well. That's not one to do sitting in the car. I'll have to do that one sitting to the table somewhere. Yeah. Okay. So that's that one. Next. Oh, did I say? I think I said £2. Yeah. Next. Only £1.99. It's one of those things that you hang from the ceiling and give it a little pull downwards and it flaps its wings. Many years ago, when I first started selling stuff on eBay, that was a very long time ago. I got quite into selling stuff on eBay. Go and buy stuff in charity shops and fairs and things like that and see if I could sell it. And I did have something very similar to this. I think it was a parrot. But that sold quite well. I haven't sold anything on eBay for years now. It's completely different now. Anyway, yeah, £1.99. We'll hang that up from the ceiling at some time. Looks like it's all in there. Yeah, there's the tail. Yeah, you get the idea. And stick the tail on it, that'll be job done. Yeah, I'm sure that'll please Nanny. I think I might need to adjust those screw eyes. They don't seem to be quite even. But we get the general idea. Yeah, that'll do. Last thing from today. I had to buy this. It was in a box of radio-controlled cars, all with the controllers, which was very tempting to buy. Everything was a £5 each. So that would actually have been cheaper to buy one of the radio-controlled cars than try and fix the ones that I bought a few weeks ago for 90 pence, 99 pence, £1, that sort of price. but ordering replacement transmitter and receiver from AliExpress would have put them over the £5. So, as I say, cheaper to buy a cheap radio-controlled car and swap over the bits. But I didn't. But I did buy this because I spotted it. And I wanted to buy it because I bought one of them sometime this year. Didn't have the controller with it, so all I could really do was take it apart and have a look inside. And there it is. That was the inside, because I thought it would be handy to have, because they're nice motors and gearboxes. So I had it in mind to use the parts for something completely different. But this one's got the controller. Whether it works or not, we'll find out. So let's go number 1 on there. So what happens? Forwards, backwards. I think from when I was looking at it last time, you can actually speak. In fact, just looking here, it actually looks a little bit sticky around the buttons there. Might need a bit of a clean. But that's the face of a... Oh, where are we? Focus. That looks like you speak into it. Oh, yeah. If I press that button. Hello? 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 Yeah. And that one, you can talk into there and you probably hear out of here. That's the general idea. What does that do? A selection of sound effects. Music? Whoa! Okay, he dances. How do we stop that? Yeah, okay. We got... Oh, middle is gun from the looks of it. Can't get it to stop in the middle. There we are. Hold it. Get your hands up, you dirty virus. Okay. What's this one? That's a football from the looks of it. I'm number 1. I'm number 1. Now that's what I call teamwork. So we have quite a selection of sounds. And on this side, looks like facial expressions. He's on smiley. Hey, buddy, you're driving. Let's roll. Well, I've got to say, for a £5, I'm rather pleased with that. That appears to be fully functioning. So say I might clean the buttons there because they do look sticky. Somebody had their tea while they were working on it, I think, playing with it. Well, that's brilliant. I looked at the possibility. Now, let's turn that off. I looked at the possibility of trying to get a controller for it back when I had the other one and couldn't. So, yeah, pleased with that. I don't know if the arms are supposed to move. Just looking through me bits from the one I took apart, there doesn't appear to be anything there that would move the arms. So, yeah, it doesn't look like the arms move. That's a shame. That would have been nice. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.